Hi, guys, and welcome to a new episode of Middle Eastern food recipes. Today's recipe is going to be pickled green tomatoes. We are gonna make pickled green tomatoes, which will which is really delicious, more delicious than pickled cucumber. So, what do we need today? We need salt, sugar, lemon juice, and green pepper. Okay, for this container, we need 2 liters of water. First, we need to wash the green tomatoes. We need to remove the spark. We can have different sizes of the tomatoes. We have little ones like this, and we have bigger ones. And now we have to use the fork to make holes inside the tomato. And now we add the tomato and the container. And now we need to put the green peppers. Before we put them, we should slice them into pieces. Like this way. And now put it in the top of the container. Like this. If you want more pepper, you can add. And now we'll add 4 full tablespoons for each liter. We have more spoon for the 250 milliliters. And now we add 1 cup of lemon for each liter. And 1 cup of white vinegar for each liter as well. We have 250 milliliters more, so we need more lemon, almost a cup. The same for vinegar. We need to use a whisk tool to whisk the water and mix the ingredients very well. And now we have to add the water to the container. We add the salty water to the container. Let the water cover everything to the top of the container. Close the container tightly and leave it for 3 weeks to a month, and it will be ready.
Bon appetit.